Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today we are going to see a formula number 19 which is dated if. In this video we are going to see what is this dative function will give and how to use it and what are the requirements to use it. Before jumping into video, if you are watching our channel new and we have given 18 formulas in the previous videos, you can check one by one in the playlist. We have given the link in description. Please do watch. Let's jump into the video. So the date diff means it will give the difference of date, which how much the date is how many days is deferred, or to calculate the difference between the two dates. You can calculate the month, date, or year according to your requirement. Okay. So let's start with it. Give me the first. The first will be our start date. Start date will be A2, and now I want to check the difference of the second one, and then now I need to get the date, right? I need to get the number of days I want to calculate. You can see 3 days is a different. In the normal view you can see 4 1 like January 4th to January 1 number of days will be different, it will be days, and I'm going with a month and then year. Okay, so now again the same formula, date if, let's say this comma this comma, give me the month value is 0 because this is on the same month, right? So what we can do is, instead of A3 we can go with this one. You can see the difference of 1 month, right? Yeah. And now again sorry, date difference of this date minus some other date. Let's say, let's go to, we need a difference in year, so I'm going to this particular one and giving it as y. Let's close it. Now you can see the year formula we have got. So it will be like month, number of days, number of month, and number of year. This is how the formula works. And if you have come across any scenario like this, please do post that in comments. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.